What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Joe's All-Star Tool Monday. Joe's outside, so let's take a look and see what he's got. You guys, come on. That's a big one. What size is that?
Should say.
It says 47D.
Two and 3/8.
2 3/8. I know what that's for, don't we, Bill? Yep, nuts.
Y'all.
How you doing?
What's up, Mr. Joe?
How much is that bad boy?
That's what I'm looking up.
I'm gonna lay it down. That way it won't fall off. That's a big one. So you've been at the dentist today, huh?
Yeah.
Bless your heart.
Oh no. I got 2 implants put in my jaw. Let me tell you. Talking has become a chore, but I mean,
Implants.
yeah. Okay, $53 on the
Sunex.
3/4 drive, 2 and 3/8, big boy socket.
That's a big one. Yep. Uh-oh.
Yep. Just push those to the side.
I like it.
Now, let me show you something about Gearwrench. You want to talk about how tough they are or can be?
Yep.
I had one of my good old boys bend the heck out of this bad boy. But if you listen, it's not missing a lick, forward or reverse. You would expect that there to bust out long before this here took the bend, but he did assure me that he broke loose what he needed to break loose.
What size is that?
12
millimeter.
millimeter
U-joint bolt?
something. I forgot what it was, but he says, can you warranty this? You know, he's like asking like that, going, well, heck yeah, it's not the same you want, but I might charge the next guy more for the custom-made ratchet.
I'm gonna say he probably put a cheater pipe on that.
Yeah, you could kind of.
If he didn't, I'd hate to run across that fella.
He'd be a bad
You
dude.
would say
wouldn't he?
yes, sir.
That's it.
But yeah, you can kind of see marks on it, but it don't matter. Yeah, look at that, the bucket of cash. I'm glad you pointed that out.
Bucket of cash.
Zachary Ray, he won it.
There you go.
He don't know it yet, but it'll be a good day when I show up. Tupelo, $220.
$220. Yeah, let me see that. That's a heck of a.
That's just bad.
Yeah, you can see she get a little warpage to her.
I had a regular 12 that got bent around like that one time, pulling U-joint bolts out, and then I flipped it over the next time I had to use it.
Straighten it
Straighten
back
it
out.
back out.
That's what I told the guy. He says, you know, go put it on just as good. You got a straight tool. But,
Yep.
so, ratchet and gear wrenches. I got some stubbies. 10-piece metric. 165.
All right. Not bad. Oh, them's my favorite right there.
These here are the Pinless. Now,
Yep.
you know what and how the Pinless works.
You know, I bought that set from you.
Yep.
And that right there is a tough rascal. There ain't no telling how many diggum bell housing bolt settings pulled out.
There's
Now,
no-
it's floppy as about a 90-year-old man, but
there-
it's still.
Well, the thing is, without the pins in there, you have more angle to be floppy. There's no pin to hang up for it to catch.
Yep.
It's stronger. Now I have the 3-piece set here, and a minute ago I remembered how much it was. But I got my cheat notes here.
Y'all can see.
$67 for the kit.
Yep.
I know if you buy the 1/2 inch through any of the tool guys, you're almost spending that for that 1/2 inch alone.
Yep. I know that's a good set.
They are.
Over there so it don't get lost. But yeah, that's I have beat the snot out of that 1/2 inch.
Oh, good. And when you find when it unsnots on you, then I get you a new one.
There you go.
Now, oil filter plug, This here is for the 1317 Dodge Rams.
Mm-hmm.
When the oil cast filter you pull out
Sitting
on
the
top,
side, yep.
you pull it out, you makes a mess,
Always.
leaks oil over customer's truck engine. They don't like it, it smells. What this does is it screws in on top, caps it solid. You can pull it, you can turn it upside down.
Yep.
You can, you know, sing happy birthday while you're doing it. No oil, no mess.
That's it.
You're not having to waste time cleaning it up, spending brake clean on that.
Mm-hmm.
We sing happy birthday every day.
Every day. Well, yeah. $13. Now, we should take a look at my tire over here.
Uh-huh. I actually posted pictures of that cooler yesterday on my Instagram. We seen them for sale. Yeah.
So how much is that go?
They was 75 is what they said on for.
75, okay.
Yep.
Place I saw was $250. But anyways, it's a cooler.
Yep.
It has a plug, has a top. You send in the numbers on there to that address on there with $6, and they will send you a certificate of what race, who ran that tire, all that for something to talk about while you got some taking care of the cold ones inside it.
Yep. Those are cool. I actually put pictures of them yesterday on there.
Yes. You know, it got the side handles, everything like that. So here's what I'm doing with that there cooler.
With that there cooler.
That there cooler, we're doing $5 chances.
$5 a chance.
$5 chances. Now, for all you guys out there that want to get a ticket, get a chance, if we hit the magic number of 10 or more, that means one guy can buy 10, two guys buy 5, you know, whatever combo you want to do. I'm going to try to sweet talk Mr. Clay's wife, Shiloh, see if she'll do the pick. So next week we could do a picking on here. But before we do the picking, you 10 guys or 2 guys or whatever, we'll see your names go into the bucket. Or in that case, the cooler.
There you go.
So we'll put them in there. She can pick, but we got to hit 10. So we hit 10. We'll do a drawing here. Clay don't know I was just sprung that on him, but
Yeah,
I
that's
think we
fine.
can make that work.
That'll work. Those are cool though. I mean, I seen them in.
I thought that was cool too,
pretty
and it's
sharp.
like I didn't hesitate. I just like got it. Let's go and have fun with this.
Oh, if you had a shop man cave, that right there is the cooler to have.
That is, you know, and then you get that certificate, you know,
Yep.
whether it's your guy or not, it's just cool.
It's cool. It don't matter who running.
Yeah,
It's cool.
especially with a lot of ice in it, it'll be better and cool
If you drank half the beer that it would hold, it'd be way even cooler.
when you wake up the next day.
it ain't as fun the next day, or at least it ain't for me anymore.
So that night it'll be the coolest thing
That's
on,
right.
on wheels
No doubt.
or in wheels.
So you're starting a new bucket of cash.
We're starting a new bucket of cash. Donald Hollins, I forgot to get back to you on that, but I got a great deal on we pan down here with a battery for you.
Yep.
I will be sending you a text on that. I'll let you get a chance to see this, and we'll talk about that later.
Alrighty.
Other than that, I hope you guys all have a great week ahead, and anything you need, call.
There you go.
You know,
731-412-7295.
Yeah, 731-412-7295.
Boy, I
Thank
got
you
a
guys.
memory like an elephant.
Have a great week.
What you got to add, Bill?
No?
So you're going to let me pick for you?
Okay.
What a great day.
All right, guys. Like always, check the links down in the description. We got some cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button right there. You guys have a great week, and we will catch y'all next time. See ya.